Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to generate a backdoor using Weevely. A backdoor is a method which allows you to access a system remotely without proper authentication. So let's get started. First of all, open a terminal and type Weevely to see the options. Now I'm going to generate a malicious PHP file using the following command. Weevely generate and here put the password. In my case I'm going to use pass and then the name of the file, which is shell.php. So now you need to upload the PHP file to the website which you want to gain access. For that I'm going to use my vulnerable web application and select upload. Then look for the PHP file which is located in user share Weevely and click upload. Now you need to know the directory where the file is uploaded. Mine is hackable/upload/shell.php. So I will copy the link address and switch back to my terminal and type Weevely and paste the address here and then put the password and press enter. As you can see, I have a session where I can execute commands. For example, I will type system info to get details about the server, or file ls to list the directory contents. The web server is running on Windows, so I can type netstat-an to display a list of all open network connections on the computer. To learn more, type help to see all the things you can do. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.